Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to transform one LOL surprise doll into a McDonald's inspired doll. There is a reason why I'm doing this doll. I will start a series of custom LOL dolls inspired in different brands like Wendy's and McDonald's and many more. Let me know in the comments if you have any requests. I really hope you like it. Time to get started with the tutorial. Follow me.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? When I get there, will I see you when I get there?
always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up?
Well guys, this is it. This is the final result. I am loving the style and I hope you find this series super fun to watch. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what other toys you want me to customize, or if you have a favorite doll, then I will be more than happy to make a custom for her. Don't forget that you are awesome, and if you are not part of the Mint family, subscribe to this channel and be part of all the fun. Click on the notification bell and never miss one of my videos. A lot of exciting and different things are coming soon. Love you a lot. Mint out. Bye bye.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem to